say, I got an idea.
You
need to go to paintyourlife.com.
That's
it is the
great.
perfect.
That's fascinating. That is very fascinating that you would move out of the middle lane into the overtaking lane to stop me. What are you doing, woman? What an idiot.
The top row was mostly Randy.
Right, of course.
And so for Randy to do that finish was very unselfish, and it worked. But that's probably about as serious as it was. He took care of him. And for him to be able to do that bonsai drop safely.
Can you believe that complete prick right there? Doesn't want to wait in traffic, got a shitty colour on his car, decides I'll just come down the left turn only lane, put my indicator on, and that just gives me the right to go over an island, cut off everyone else who's leaving a gap there for people to turn, and just let myself, you know, go on my merry way.
Fast friends, and we know that they've become sort of legendary as this Bone Street crew, the BSK. What was it about Yokozuna and Undertaker that just clicked so well for their friendship?
What are you doing? Sorry.
Just natural chemistry, Conrad. They liked each other. They
That fucking idiot. No clue.
I don't know what happened there.
It's worth mentioning, by the way, that this whole spike.
What the hell are these clowns doing? For no goddamn reason, this clown comes to get in the middle lane behind the van. What the hell is he doing? Look at this idiot. Whoa. What the fuck is this guy doing? Jesus Christ. Tailgating the shit out of this guy. About to jump in the middle lane. No, we're gonna look at this guy. Tailgate this guy a bit more. Alright, we've got a Bogan testicle. Jesus. Rim job 70. I think it's Bogan. I'll have to double check that. No indicator, cutoffs. There he is again. Look at him. There's 6 cars in front and he's tailgating again. That lane's about to come to a grinding halt anyway. Look at him, he's almost smashed into this car in front. Look at this fucking end. There's a nice view of this idiot.
You're pissing around with something that's not working.
Yes, sir.
Have that fucking clicked.
Stupid idiot. Jesus, mate. What the fuck you doing? Fucking idiot.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
fucking tradie. Oh my god, did you see that guy? He just flew straight down the left lane that had only had a green turning area and just flew straight through a red light. People are psycho at the moment.
It's texting, checking emails, scrolling.
Oh, fuck off, mate. No, you're going straight. That way. Go. No, go. That way. Come on, dick breath. No, go. Move. You're an idiot.
Absolutely classic in the heart of Texas. You know, here's the funny thing now, and I'm not disparaging the town of Austin, Texas, because Austin, frankly, is one of my favorite cities anywhere in the world, and I would probably...
You're leaving vacation over there. Oh, you gotta track this.
Something mean, Gene. If Mr. Perfect and the genius believe what they say, then they are perfect, brother. Really? Oh, yeah, man. They're perfect fools.
Look at this fucking idiot. Going the wrong way on a cycle lane, and this clown's on a footpath. You fucking dickwad. Blinker? Oh, you fucking retard. Fucking dumb bitch.
Yokozuna had to run over there to Japan as well. They had seen him before, 150 pounds.
Look at this dipshit. Oh, God. Velocity Air 02 9418 7700. He's in a left turn only lane. There's an unbroken line. You cannot change lanes. You cannot go straight. As you notice, he had a green arrow and didn't go. What's he going to do? The light's going to go green and he's going to go forward and cut someone off. He's gone down the left turn only lane to try and jump the queue, got stuck, and now he's going to do this.
During that time, because those some guns were eating. Brother, they were eating some chicken, and it's fried chicken, and they might have had some mashed potatoes and gravy or something. You know, I don't know. So,
what a fucking idiot, not you.
WCW, of course. Observer. Quote, McMahon got wind of it, and before Scott Hall and Kevin Nash made themselves into bigger stars and turned WCW around with their jump, McMahon quelled this one.
Don't do it. Seriously? That's a goddamn Olivia special. You're not even turning right. Are you an idiot? That is the same spot they do it to Olivia every goddamn time. I think this fuckhead's on his phone. You motherfucker. What the fuck? Look at this fucking idiot. Wow.
You're beginning to irritate me.
Look at these morons.
Syndicated show, and of course my partner Monsoon worked with me for a long time, but Heenan was the guy that's where I started. So I met Bobby the week of WrestleMania 9, and we did voiceovers.
Oh, come on, son. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing, mate? Get over. Jesus, you want to take up anyone else's time? Christ. For those of you who are wondering, this is Olivia's hangout. These are Olivia's roundabouts.
The idea was good. I remember going over to the Intrepid with Nelson Swagler. And Nelson was the head of Vince's production arm for many, many years.
Look at that. I let the bus in and he gave me the 4 indicator thank you. get himself over into the bus lane, and now we can go on our way. Bus driver saying thank you. I like it. Alright, numbnuts. You're welcome. Double wave. Jesus. Definitely got to put you on YouTube. Look at that, a bit of pay it forward. I let the Triton out, so he let someone else out. So you do nice things for someone, and then they pay it forward, and you go have a bit of road courtesy. Whoa, far out. Jesus Christ. Are you okay? So, give a bit of a debrief on what just happened there. Thankfully everyone is okay, so obviously we had that crash. I saw that coming and hit the horn, trying to warn them, but unfortunately they didn't get it, and they slammed straight into those stationary cars. After I got out, I smelt a lot of burning, and I was worried those cars were going to actually catch on fire, or they'd smash the fuel. So they'd hit right in the fuel tank of the car in front, so I went getting my fire extinguisher, but thankfully didn't need it. Once we got the car shut off, everything was okay. So the good news, everyone in the cars got out without a scratch. They all walked away, airbags and seat belts and everything have done their job, and everyone is okay. But obviously crashing to everyone was extremely sorry and remorseful, and obviously admitted fault, and that they were just distracted trying to find where they were going to, and obviously just wasn't paying attention. So, but they were very upset and very sorry for what they've done, and it's one of those things. So I'd appreciate everyone don't do any abusive comments in the comment sections. They knew they'd made a mistake and they'd done it, so please keep the comments respectful. For everyone else, yeah, so the car, I'd say the car that caused the crash is it's definitely a write-off. The other one is probably a write-off too. The white one that got crashed into. There was a third car up front, also got some damage from being pushed into it. That was minor damage at the back, so he's driven off and gone. The other two are still there and waiting on the tow trucks. There had some other people now turned up to help them, so now that other people are on site, I'm leaving.